Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clip an image in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. I have my image here of this stadium loaded up on my screen. If I want to clip it, what I'm going to do is go to the Insert tab, and then I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow underneath Image, and then select Clip Image. The next thing I have to do is select the image I want to clip, so I'll just choose my image here. Then, if I want to create a new boundary to clip this image, I can just press Enter or type N. And then, again, I'm just going to do a rectangle here, which is the default option. So now I click the first corner of my rectangle, and then you can see as I drag my mouse, it highlights the area that is going to be left after I clip this image. I can click the second point, and there you have my clipped image of just the stadium there. I've now gotten rid of the parking lot. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have an idea of what you'd like to see next from these videos, just go ahead and leave it in the comments. And as always, you can subscribe to our channel if you want to see the other helpful content we have on the way. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.